Who is she? Why is he calling her master? Once this next job is over, you can stop being a devil hunter. You only have half a year left to live. I want you to live the rest of your life in peace. Volka. Oh my god. Yeah, we're in China, huh? Okay. Okay. Well, that's an awkward ass kiss. That's very graphic. What the? Okay. 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 Oh, Quan, that was so good. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, I thought they were normal-ass women. They're not normal-ass women. This one is missing, her skull and an eye? This one has some stitches and, eyeballs that are colored adversely. This one is bound and has horns! And this one, has an entire creature coming out of her head. The one in the middle looks badass, just being surrounded by a harem of women. Yes, queen. Yes. Damn, what is... There's nudity! There's nudity in Chainsaw Man! We have an entire group sex scene in a shonen. Okay. I like this page. Do we have a colored version of the page? I like that. Yes. That's an entire gangbang with women. I like that. Yes. Good. Fujimoto said, this time the homosexuals are eating. Nice. Nice. And the chat is active, very active as well. Okay, let me just read your reactions. Because she has mastery over bullshit mental gymnastics of how murder isn't really murder. Let's go. Ah, yes, there we are. It's finally here, baby. You were all waiting for this page to happen. Are we gonna watch them fuck now? Not that I'm complaining, but this is so unexpected. Like, you have Denji putting on other people's pants during fights, probably because you can't show him naked, fighting naked, and here you just have 5 women naked in one bed, and one badass, one-eyed woman in the middle. I like this page. Lesbian, let's go! When I said I'll go feral for a character, this is what I was talking about. Queen She. The boss is here. Good luck, Mappa. So we do Discord for the colors. Yes, we'll have the anime. I'm looking forward to the anime in this scene. Guess I can't watch that one with my mom. Then again, I did watch The Handmaiden with my mom, which is also severely lesbian. Watch that. Best queer movie of all time, to be honest. By Park Chan-wook, my favorite director. Damn. I love this page. I'm glad we spent almost 5 minutes on this page alone.